Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in my previous video, I explored the Nizami street during the daytime and showed you how lively and beautiful it looks during the daylight. And now I am come back here again to explore the Nizami street at night. And the street feels completely different and comes alive in its own way. In this video, I haven't added any background music, so you can enjoy the real life sound of Baku. I just wanted you to see the Nizami street of Baku at night. No talking, no music, just the live atmosphere. So enjoy with me.
Buradan gel.
So guys, that's all for tonight's walk on Nizami Street. I really hope you like this video, and this street is beautiful day or night, and I'm really glad to share it with you. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Till then, take care of yourself. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.